Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SKAdNetwork verification tools for iOS apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate SKAdNetwork verification tools for your iOS apps, start by ensuring you have an Apple developer account. Log into your Apple developer account at developer.apple.com. Navigate to the Certificates, IDs and Profiles section. Create or select your app's identifier under the Identifiers tab. Ensure your app supports SKAdNetwork by adding the necessary entries to your app's info.plist file. Locate the SKAdNetwork items key in your info.plist file. If it doesn't exist, add a new entry for SKAdNetwork items as an array. Within this array, add each SKAdNetwork identifier your app will support. You can find the list of SKAdNetwork IDs on Apple's official documentation page. Next, confirm you have integrated the latest version of the SDK for your advertising partners. Update your project settings to ensure compatibility with SKAdNetwork APIs. Implement necessary callbacks to handle the SKAdNetwork responses effectively. Test your implementation on a physical iOS device running the latest version of iOS. Use Xcode's debug tools to monitor the SKAdNetwork callbacks during your app's runtime. Make sure to verify that the SKAdNetwork IDs are being tracked and reported. Analyze the results through your advertising network dashboard to confirm correct activation. Finally, keep your project updated with the latest best practices for SKAdNetwork usage. Following these steps will activate SKAdNetwork verification tools for your iOS app successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.